Hi, very good morning. Today I'm going to come out with promo partnership arrangement between you and me. This is something similar to the affiliate program that I'm talking about. If people have understood what is this affiliate program, it means that you will be promoting my programs and you will earn a commission out of that. Okay, that is the concept all about. Okay, what is that you're going to promote my programs? So that is what I'm going to explain to you now. So let me take you to my website and show you what all courses that I'm offering. You are all aware that you have already done, you have attended some of my programs and all that. I'm sure that you are aware of, but refreshing your memory, I'm going to take you to my website and show you the courses. So this is my website. So I'll take you to the courses that I have. Okay. You see, I have got level 1, level 2, level 3 course. And then we have got 3 days WhatsApp class, 390 days video lessons, email automation mastery for real estate, and Facebook mastery in real estate, 10 days free email lessons, mentorship program, so on and so forth. Okay. I've got nearly about 9 programs which are going on. So the prices you see here, the prices quoted are 3,499, 4,999, 17,700. These are my 3 flagship products. And after that, I also have this 99 rupees, and then 6,999 and 1,499 rupees. Then I have got 1,999, and this is free, and this is 24,999 rupees. Okay. So what you can do is the partnership program, how you can benefit out of that. So that I will be showing you now in a minute. So if you look at this particular screen, you see this is called InstaMojo, and there is a link here. So you need to click this link, use this particular link, all in small cases, and then sign up for that. I will be actually sending you a separate video tutorial once you show interest in becoming my promo partner. Okay. So what happens is that when you create this particular InstaMojo account, it will be a payment gateway for yourself. Okay. You can do business using this particular payment link. For any kind of services in future, whatever you are offering, you can use this payment gateway, and you will be able to get your payment done through using this particular gateway. Okay, that's what is InstaMojo all about. Okay, so you will be actually promoting my programs by giving your payment link. Okay, I'm not saying that you will be selling my courses using my payment link. You need to drive the traffic, drive people to my workshop. That is the job that you have to do. Okay, so for that, you need creatives, you need primary text matter, and you have to promote my program. And that particularly workshop that you need to promote. So I'll show you what creatives I'll be sharing with you. So look at this Facebook ad that I have released. Okay, so there is a good text matter here, which is very convincing. It talks about digital systems introduced by me, and then how 250 buyer leads have been generated in 30 days time by Narayan. Then Utpal Mehta was able to crack a rental deal of 12 lakhs. Geeta was able to sell 16 sites in a span of 45 days. So all this are mentioned in this. Okay, and then this particular creative is posted, which is priced at 99 rupees. Okay. And the date of the workshop is 23rd to 25th. This will keep changing. This 23rd can become 30th, 30th can become 7th. So every week I'll be changing this date only. Everything else remains the same. Okay. Now, since the past programs have been 99 rupees, now I'm going to revise it to 199 rupees. So I'll show you that creative also for you. So this is the new creative that I've created, which will be shared with all of you. Okay. So now that this creatives and the concept plan you have understood, now what you need to do, you have to actually promote this creative along with the text matter which I showed you, okay, which I'll be sharing with you in any case. You will be forwarding this particular creative in your WhatsApp groups. Okay, in fact, not only groups, you can target each of them individually. Every day if you keep sending about some 10-20 people every day this messages, to your known circle of real estate agents or any groups that you are into. Whoever is interested to attend this workshop, they will pay this 199 rupees and then attend my workshop. So how they will make this payment? You will be sending a link, payment link along with this creative to the people whom you are going to send it. And they will click that link and then make the payment, and that payment comes to you first. Okay. So once the payment comes to you, what will you do? Right? What will you do? You will pay me 99 rupees out of that. 100 rupees you will retain for yourself. Okay. So that is the first level of income source for you. And there are also many other source of income for you, which I'll be now explaining to you just a second. So the next level of income, what is possible for you is being explained to you. So let me give you a little bit of explanation. Workshop income for you is about 100 rupees, okay, per person. Level 1 course income will be 15% of 2,500. This is the price at which I'll be selling on the webinar day. Though the website price is about 3,499, but on that webinar day, whoever makes the payment of 2,500, then I'll give them, whoever makes the payment on that day, I'll give them at 2,500 rupees. So whoever makes the payment of 2,500 rupees, you will get 15% of the commission from that, which will come to around 375 rupees. Level 2 will be 525. Level 3, there will be a flat income for you, which is about 3,000 rupees. And level 4, that is Remax BA status, you will get about 5,000. The course value is about 25,000. So now let us take an example that if you keep getting about 10 people every week for the workshop, who can make this payment of 1,199 rupees and join, you will be able to earn around 1,000 rupees per week, 10 into 100 rupees. Okay. So that multiplied by 4 weeks will be around 4,000 rupees. Now, out of that 10 people, let us assume only one person buys the level 2 program, that is 3,500 rupees program. Why am I saying 3,500 rupees program? Because when they pay this 3,500 rupees, they will get this level 1 also as an inbuilt program. So people will not like to pay 2,500 and then again 3,500 rupees for the second level. Instead, they would rather pay 1,000 rupees more and buy this 3,500 rupees course, which will come along with the level 1 course also. So I'm assuming that one person will buy 3,500 rupees course, and your income in that case will be 525 rupees at the rate of 15%. That multiplied by 4, you will get a possible income of 2,100 from this particular course. Now, assuming one person buys this level 3, okay, I'm just taking this one, 3,000 rupees flat. And if 4 people in a month buy, you have a possibility of earning around 12,000 rupees. Okay. So I'm not taking into consideration this, if it happens, you can take it as, bonus. Okay. Otherwise, just for the calculation purpose, what is the probable income for you? I'll tell you. 12,000 rupees is the this income, 2,100, 4,000. So all three put together, if you see, 18,100 rupees, there is a possibility of you earning this kind of amount from the affiliate program that I'm offering to. Now, there are certain criteria for you to become my promo partner. So I'll explain to you that how you can become my promo partner now. So now I'll be showing you the eligibility criteria part of it and the procedures that you need to follow to become my promo partner. See, this is the Google form, which says Promo Partner Program Real Estate, and you need to fill up this form. Okay, it says name, email ID, phone number, which city you belong to, are you interested? Yes, once you earn money, will you purchase level 3 program? This is the most important part, because if you don't have any plans to join Remax in the later part of the journey in associating with me, then I would suggest you don't take this program, because ultimate aim is to make you come and join a Remax program and become a part of my community. People who are not able to make that one-shot payment of 17,700, for them I have devised a program. So if you fall in the category of not able to raise that kind of money immediately, then you promote my program, earn some money, and then through that money pay and then become Remax associate. Okay. So the answer for this should be yes. Okay. Then, to avail this promo partner program also, you have to make a small payment of 499 rupees. Okay. This is to ensure only serious people join. Otherwise, simply people, everybody say, okay, I wanted to give it to me and all that, and nobody will work for it. So I want you to make this payment of 499 rupees and then take up this program. Okay, you can say yes, no, not applicable. Okay, not applicable is for people who have already purchased my course. Okay, for them it is free. Yeah, I'm not charging them anything. Supposing you are not purchased any of my programs, any of my courses, then you have to pay 499 and then take up my program. Okay, right. Then are you already in my community? If yes, in which level you are? If you are already there, then if you say not applicable, then the next answer should be this one: 1, 2, 3, 4. Supposing you are not you're not part of this. If this is the answer, are you ready? You say yes, and you're not into any of these things. Then this question you can leave it blank. Okay, you don't have to reply for this. Okay, with this, I will now come to the conclusion of the program. You see, I will help you how you can sell this program also. I'll be sending you another video tutorial wherein how you can sign up InstaMojo. Once you pay up that 499 rupees, no, you will get one course. Okay, and that course, in that course, one video will be there which will tell you how you should sign up InstaMojo, then how you should market this my programs, through which all groups you can do that, how can you do that. So that education material will come to you, and on seeing that video you will be able to promote it, right? Okay, thank you so much, wish you all the very best. Bye bye.